I have been researching different recipes on the internet, and I found this interesting one with apples. Yes, I know, always apples. I love apples. And it's called more apples than cake, or maybe some kind of apple cake, some people call it. I don't really think it's a cake in any way. I would say it's apples baked in crepe dough. It's pretty much what it is, but it's so delicious. And because it's mostly apples, it perfectly fits in my dessert low calorie option thingy. I absolutely love it. I hope you will too. On the way to get this recipe recorded for you, I made so many mistakes that I'm gonna share with you what to do, what not to do. Make sure you do not make that lemon zest optional, because I think that whole flavor comes from that lemon zest. It is amazing. Let's grab the ingredients. We are going to grease the baking dish. Set it aside and melt 2 tablespoons of butter and let it cool. We will need it later. Now, for the apples. I have 2 options here for grating. I will include a link to both below in description. So you can use this kind of popular grater and this little vegetable slicer. I prefer the latter, as it is very sharp and you can adjust the thickness. You can also slice them by hand. So let's start peeling the apples. I am using golden delicious apples as they are my favorite, but you can use Gala, Fuji, or any other crunchy and rather sweet apple. I will use here 3 to 4 apples depending on the size of apples you have. This one is pretty much flexible, so you can use less, you can use more, it will be fine. Remove the core. Now, the slicing thickness. So this is where I made a mistake initially. So you can slice them thin or a bit thicker. However, when you slice very thin, the cake will become a bit soupy. Taste, however, remains delicious. Texture is less desirable. I prefer the thicker slice, and by using this slicing tool, the process is fast and easy. But be careful so you do not cut yourself. It is very sharp. Next, transfer the apples into a large bowl and sprinkle with juice from a half of a lemon. Make sure you zest it before you start squeezing it. We will need the zest. Next, crepe dough. I have here all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon baking powder and mix. Then crack 2 large eggs into a mixing bowl, pinch of salt, 25 grams, about an ounce, of sugar, and mix on high speed until it becomes foamy. Now, milk, I'm using 2% fat, melted butter, add the flour mix that we prepared earlier in batches, so a little bit at a time, and mix. Now that lemon zest that you prepared a little bit earlier. we're gonna add the apples to the dough in batches. So a little bit apples first, then make sure all of them are coated. And then once that's done, add another batch and another batch until you completely used all the apples and they fully covered with the dough. Transfer the apples into the prepared baking dish layer by layer. Brush it with remaining a tablespoon of melted butter and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. Make sure you keep an eye on it so you don't burn the apples. And here they are, ready. Sprinkle with powdered sugar, and I just dig in a hot one. But for better results, cool and then cut. When you cut it hot, it will be messy, just like this one, and you might just need a spoon for this. But when it sets, you can cut it and it looks like a perfect cake. Either way, this is a great cake, light and full of flavor. Try it and leave a comment below, and I will see you on the next one.